Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga, Kawahirina, Kawahiriya, Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga.
This is the SANAT KUMARA. I am delighted to welcome you to our lesson podcast number 95 in Namas University, Earth Spiritual University place and community that helps people to develop under the guidance of their soul and with the help and support from Shambhala. The new year of 2025 has just started, and we already have some great news for you that I will share in my next lessons podcast. Because today, my sister AMAYA will address you. Goddess Amaterasu has asked us to share some ideas with you, and AMAYA kindly gave us the details about their healing potential. I am AMAYA. You know me as your Mother Earth or Mother Nature. Healing has countless facets. We can look at it from many perspectives. For this, you have to put on a different pair of glasses, one with many facets to allow for many perspectives. I look at healing from a perspective of nature because I am nature. I, nature, am your home, your origin. Everything originates from me. Being your mother nature, I know how you can heal. All elements of nature represent healing. You simply have to recognize them and apply them correctly. Humanity has a vague idea of what can heal it, thanks to its collective memory. You can tell this, for example, from the noise you make when a new year begins. You want to usher it in. You want to drive out the old. But noisy, smelly devices that benefit a few and harm life and nature at large are certainly not a good idea. Drums and chanting would be a better choice, as would be listening to nature. Today, people instinctively seek out their origins, but they are still looking in the wrong place. As Mother Nature, I provide you with everything you need to stay and become whole. As you know, everything is alive, even what you consider to be inanimate matter. Rocks and mountains are mighty warriors in my realm of nature. Mountain ranges are designed as vast fields and places for healing. Everyone can feel majestic nature. Treat them with respect. They are not meant to be a prop and a trail for those who just want to use them for their own pleasure. I am thinking of the winter sports industry. The flaw in the system industry is inherent in the world as such. Encountering a mountain or a rock formation should be a highly spiritual experience. That is how it should be. That is what it is meant for. They serve as a connection to your higher aspects, to your higher being. Go to the mountains, but don't use them. That is not what they have been designed for. Mountains are my highest and greatest emissaries. They are keepers of great secrets. They are a part of me, as you are a part of me. But you can tell by their very mass how much more condensed energy they are and harbor. They are highly concentrated energy. They are life. They have names, not the ones you have given them, but the ones they have received from the divine. Mountains and rocks serve as healers for everyone. For everyone who calls this planet their home, their wisdom is boundless. Get in touch with them. They are a treasure trove for your healing. Treat them with dignity and respect, and you will receive 1,000-fold the love you give. Dr. Charles Onwulata's books, The Wise Sayings of Sokwa, provide wonderful insight into this fascinating world and are available as ebooks on Amazon. The second topic I would like to discuss urgently is curses and evil eye spells and what that has to do with lemons. There is a practice in India and around burning of lemon to break an evil eye spell. Brace yourself. 1. This practice doesn't work. 2. It spoils the spirit of the lemon, a queen of purification. I ask you to discontinue this useless practice. If you want to destroy an evil eye spell safely, you have two options. You may turn to a spiritual practitioner experienced in co-creating together with Hindu deities. Or you may invite God Shiva to help you. To do so, set the intention and invite God Shiva to destroy all evil eyes that may affect you. Request God Shiva to do a body scan on you. In doing so, he will destroy the negative energy and neutralize it. This is a foolproof method. Feel free to share your experience in the comments. Many tried and tested healing practices will require an update as we all move to the fifth dimension and beyond. This is one of them. You will find even more updates in our study material on our website and those of our co-teachers. My dears, I am grateful to you. Your AMAYA. I bow to you, my dear sister AMAYA, for this important information about healing and changes that we need to accept towards everything that is around us and what we are doing. The events of the last 2 months demonstrate that changes are happening much quicker than we can imagine, and it is very important just to let them be. If you are clear in your thoughts, your intentions, and you act from that fact, you do not need to fear any changes because they will bring you what is needed for you at this present moment. When you are increasing your vibrations and your light, you will become closer to everything that surrounds you. You need to remind yourself that what surrounds you is all alive and you can hear and understand them. When you communicate with the world around you, all changes will be balanced. That's all that I wanted to share with you today. I'll come back next week with the lesson number 96 and will share the global events that happened on December 12th and 24th and the changes they triggered from the creation and everything else. With love and blessings, your SANAT KUMARA. This lecture from AMAYA was received by Katerina Adari. The podcast lesson was put together by the SANAT KUMARA and voiced by Charles Onwulata. We are delighted to inform you that the raffle by the Cosmic Mother and the SANAT KUMARA for the Cosmic Mother's watercolor portal to honor the second birthday of Namas University on the 1st of January has a winner. The invocation portal goes to our student in Ukraine. Our warmest greeting to the student who has already been notified. Also, we would like to announce that Awakening 2024 book is now available in Russian and Ukrainian languages. You will find links in the podcast description next to the links to all our study materials. In the text below the podcast, you will also find a link to the Discord platform. The small purple circle before the word Discord, where we have created study groups where you can find like-minded people to share, discuss, and learn from, as well as lots of other useful information. If your soul responds to this call, join Namas University, Earth Spiritual University. Please join us next week. You need to be aware of what is happening now on Earth, in our galaxy, and in the cosmos. As communicated before, Namas University has created separate YouTube channels for each language. You will find a link to a new YouTube channel for podcasts in your language in the description below this video.
Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga, Kawa Irina, Kawa Niriya. Kumara satsanga, Kumara satsanga.